Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a rainbow ice-dyed spiral shirt. My shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution, wrung out in my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm beginning my spiral a little higher on this shirt this time. I'm starting it just about even with the bottom of the sleeves. I'm using a fork to begin my spiral, and then just going to go ahead and spiral up my shirt. After I straighten out my folds, I'm going to hold them in place with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I'm going to rack dye it. So I have my shirt on top of a rack, over a tub so that any of the excess liquid can just go down into the bottom of the tub. And I have some silicone cake molds that I've put around the outside of my shirt to make a barrier to hold the ice on. I'll put a link in the description for the cake molds. Then for this shirt, I'm going to use the three primary colors for tie-dye. I'm beginning with fuchsia from Grateful Dyes, and I'm just applying it in a wedge shape. I'm putting a fairly generous layer of dye onto the front side of the shirt. However, there is still some white on my shirt showing. The second color is Lemon Yellow from Dharma Trading Company. And when I apply the lemon yellow, I'm going to take just a little bit of that and overlap the fuchsia. Where I overlap the fuchsia with the lemon yellow will make orange. The third color is Vivid Turquoise from Custom Colors. And I'm going to do the same thing with that one. I'm going to overlap a little bit of the fuchsia and the lemon yellow with the turquoise. Then I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash. I do this because as my ice melts and runs through my shirt, it could potentially rinse out part of the soda ash that I initially soaked my shirt in, and I want to make sure I have plenty of soda ash left in my shirt so that the dye can react properly with the fabric. Then I'm going to put some ice on top and set it outside to let it process. After the ice on the front side of the shirt melted, I turned the shirt over and this is what it looks like. As you can tell, all of the colors have come through, so I just went ahead and added a very, very light layer of dye to the back side. I put another sprinkle of soda ash on and another layer of ice. After the second layer of ice melted, I brought my shirt inside and I let it process for 24 hours. So this is what our shirt looks like. If you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.